Hey there, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest skincare tips and tricks. Today, we have something special in store for all the beginners out there. We're going to reveal the 10 essential skincare steps to achieve that flawless, radiant skin you've always dreamed of. So without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Cleansing. The foundation of any great skincare routine starts with cleansing. It's crucial to remove all the dirt, impurities, and makeup that accumulate throughout the day. Make sure to choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation helps to slough off dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and brighter. But remember, don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is sufficient to avoid irritation. 3. Toning. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's time to balance your skin's pH with a toner. This step also preps your skin for better absorption of other skincare products. 4. Serum application. Serums are packed with powerful ingredients that target specific skin concerns, such as fine lines, dark spots, and hydration. Find the right serum that addresses your needs. 5. Eye cream. Taking care of the delicate skin around your eyes is essential. Applying a hydrating and nourishing eye cream can help reduce puffiness and diminish the appearance of dark circles. 6. Moisturization. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Lock in that moisture with a suitable moisturizer. Remember, even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a must. 7. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. 8. Face masks. Treat yourself to a pampering session with face masks. Whether it's for hydration, detoxification, or brightening, face masks can give your skin that extra boost. 9. Healthy lifestyle habits. Skincare isn't just about what you apply externally. Nourish your skin from within by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and incorporate skin-friendly foods into your diet. 10. Consistency. Last but not least, the key to flawless skin is consistency. Stick to your skincare routine and remember, results won't happen overnight. Patience and dedication will pay off in the long run. That's a wrap on our 10 essential skincare steps for beginners. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, leave us a comment below on your favorite skincare step or any other tips you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.